Hello everyone, I'm Sean Jenkins from CRP, and today I'm going to talk about another better than OE product from Rein Automotive. This product was developed thanks to input and suggestions from the CRP Innovation Council, a group of experienced service technicians and shop owners. So what we're looking at here is a coolant hose assembly for selected BMW models with V8 engines, vehicles produced between 2008 and 2014. On these assemblies, 3 hoses are joined together with a Y connector. On the original part, this Y connector is made of plastic and is prone to failure, and because the hose is located underneath the intake manifold, the repair can be very time-consuming and costly. For years, we've had an OE style replacement product that works well. But what we've done with this new Rein brand replacement part is to make the Y connector out of metal to ensure a longer, problem-free service life for the hose assembly. You can see it right here. So we've got 2 versions of these in inventory. The plastic OE style, if you choose to stick close to what came on the vehicle, and the upgraded assemblies with the metal Y fitting. One nice added benefit for the upgraded assemblies is that they also include the clamps needed for the installation. We have a few different parts covering different models. You can find the correct one for your application on your shop's terminal or showmetheparts.com. Have a question about these better than OE coolant hose assemblies or any other Rein part or kit? Just post it below or on the CRP Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new videos like this one. Thanks for watching.